Crispy, cheesy garlic bread spiked with the flavor of pickled chilies. It's a combo you won't be able to resist. Let's get started. I mean, who doesn't love garlic bread? It has a few of my favorite things: garlic, butter, bread, obviously, a little bit of cheese sprinkled over the top sometimes. But how do you take it to the next level? We're doing it with chilies today, and trust me, you are going to love this one. The combo is irresistible. I'm gonna start by making a compound butter. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of room temperature butter and pop it into a mini food processor. Then let's talk chilies. So we're gonna start off with this guy. It might be called a Fresno chili where you are, a finger chili, but essentially what you're looking for is a long, red, shiny chili like this that doesn't pack a lot of heat, but has a nice fruity bite to it. So all I'm going to do is split it down the middle, remove the seeds, and finally mince it, and it's gonna join the butter. But the chilies don't stop there, my friend. No, no, no. We're gonna go in with two more different types of chili. The first one being pickled chilies in brine. So look at these. They are so nice because they have a little bit of an acidic bite to them. They're a little spicy as well. And I'm gonna take a few of these and drain them onto a paper towel. It's really important to get as much moisture out of there as possible because you don't want your garlic bread to be soggy. And that's gonna go into the food processor as well. And for a little bit of dry heat, I'm gonna go in with some crushed chili flake. That's gonna give us that heat that kicks the back of our throat. I'm gonna grate in a few cloves of garlic, some fresh parmesan, and season things up with oregano, thyme, and salt to taste. And I'm gonna pulse this a few times in my food processor just until it's mixed. So let's talk bread. I am using an Italian loaf. I find that this works really well for garlic bread. However, if you have everyday sliced white bread or whatever laying around in your house, go ahead and use that. I am not going to shame you for that. Garlic bread is garlic bread. Just get the butter on some type of bread and it'll still be tasty. But of course, Italian bread gives you great texture. All I'm going to do is take a serrated knife and then slice it horizontally lengthwise. And I'm going to take my garlic chili butter and spread it evenly along both sides of the bread. I'm going to place my garlic bread on a lined baking sheet, and it's going to go into the oven at 350 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes to crisp up. Then I'm going to sprinkle mozzarella cheese all over the top, and it's going to go under the broiler for 2 minutes just until it's gooey and golden. I'm going to garnish with some freshly sliced chilies and cut it up into large pieces to serve. You know, the thing about garlic bread is when it is baking up in the oven, your entire house ends up smelling like garlic bread, which isn't quite a bad thing. In fact, I think I should make a candle that smells like garlic bread. That would be a good idea. Anyhow, it's time to give this a taste. Oh my goodness, did you see that cheese pull? Incredible. Here goes. Mmm. Mmm. I'm telling you, pickled chilies are a game changer when it comes to garlic bread. They add a little bit of tang and brightness, and then you get that kick of the heat from the dry chili, as well as the fruitiness from the fresh chili, all together with that butter, the garlic, and the herbs, and that melty cheese over the top. What's not to love? This is my cheesy triple chili garlic bread, and I hope you get to try it at home.